So the OBS f250, the 7.3, probably one of the most sought after diesels, if I'm not wrong. But I just had a electrical issue going on with mine, and basically when you go to start it, it's gonna have that problem, make a really weird noise, and do absolutely nothing. So far, I replaced both negative terminals. I gotta do the positives, and after jump starting it probably 4 times now, it's pretty trashed. So I'm guessing I'm probably gonna have to replace the batteries, but if it is making that noise, check your terminals. If they're looking like that, pretty garbage, replace them immediately because you will not get it started again. And when you do go to jump start these 7.3s, you're gonna wanna make sure you have either a 24 volt jump starter or two 12 volts. I ended up having to use two 12 volts jump packs and a thing of jumper cables on another truck to actually get it started, because it does take a lot and really quick, so it's gonna need a lot of power. Otherwise, you can try to get new batteries and throw them on, or try to plug it in, let it charge the batteries back up after you replaced them. Either way, make sure you're running 24 volts through both batteries because they're in parallel, and without it, it's not going to start whatsoever. So I ended up having to use the two jump starters, and that person came and helped jump start it with his jumper cables, but that was the only way I can get it to start. And it seems like this is a pretty common problem with the terminals. So if you are having this issue, make sure to change out the terminal connectors. Some local places should have them, otherwise online you can find them. I got a 3-way ones where you can plug 3 different things in there. You could put a 4th if you tried, but I'm gonna end up using 4 of them to replace every single one because they're a lot high quality and they don't look like crap. So these are the ones I got. As you can see, these ones need to be replaced because they are trashed. I'm pretty positive they just don't work whatsoever. I hate this stupid thing, so you can't get access to it. But this one I got here, same thing with the other one, it's garbage, needs to be replaced. These things, lifesavers. Don't have it fully on right now, just used to get it jump started, but these are the only way it's gonna start.